Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, I'm here with the final technical analysis of 15th of May 2020. So first of all guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading updates from my side. Okay guys, this is the signals report that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning, and you can set up the pending orders with my signals, and this is already written in my report. So starting with New Zealand USD. So guys, today I have supplied the bearish trend in case of New Zealand USD from 059742 and 058663 was the target price. And guys, you can see a big drop already on New Zealand USD. I congratulate my all traders who have taken the sell positions today on this pair. They must have ended up with a very good profits. Next, I am going to talk about Great Britain Pound USD, which is the third signal of my signals report. So Great Britain Pound USD with a bearish expectation from 121.820 and 119.731 was the target price. And guys, you can see the drop is on the screen. Great Britain Pound USD was weak today. That is why 200forexpips.com has predicted the downward momentum in case of Great Britain Pound USD, and it's already down. So if you have caught the profit on Great Britain Pound USD, then I request my subscribers to please send me the screenshots. I will forward them to, I will put them on my Facebook page. Okay, at next, let's talk about USD Canadian dollar. I have supplied the bullish signal from 140581 and 141221 was the target price. And guys, you can see a very sweet upward trend on USD Canadian dollar. This candle was closed above my entry. That was a perfect time, but overall you can set up the pending orders. If you have taken entry right from 140581, that was also fine. And you can see the market has just went near to the entry and near to the target price. So congratulations to all traders who have traded USD Canadian dollar. They must have ended their day with a very good profit. Next, I am going to talk about AUDJPY. A bearish trend was supplied to the subscribers from 69046, and guys, you can see the drop is on the screen. AUDJPY has already went down. So overall, if you have traded this one, then you must be in good profits. Next and at last, I am going to talk about the USDJPY, which is still onto the way. I have predicted the upward momentum on USDJPY from 107.223 and 107.545 was the target price. And guys, you can see a very sweet momentum is onto the way, and USDJPY is already moving up into the upward direction. So if you have traded this one, then you must be in a very good profit. So guys, you can set up the pending orders with my signals. I have mentioned in my signals report, you can set up the pending orders little below or above the entry, not right from the entry to be safe. But if you want to put the pending order right from the entry, that is also fine. So 50 pips is the stop loss for the all signal. And guys, this is how my signal report works. Overall guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the indicators that you can see on the screen, that when the market comes into the upward red boundary, let me show you. When it comes into the upward red boundary, then the market gets the rejection, then it's down. And when it comes into the lower red boundary, then the market gets a boost. And when the candle closes below the middle dotted line, then sell more. And when it closes above the middle dotted line, then you can buy more. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. And also you can see a buy signal from the scalper. Look how sweetly the market has went up. So guys, this is all about the trading system. So guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to get the expert advisor, or guys, if you want to learn that how I prepare the signals report, how I come to know in the morning that New Zealand USD is going to be bearish and Great Britain Pound is going to be bearish, this is simply based on a very simple trick, and that does not require any knowledge from your side. It's based on a trick, and if you want to learn that trick, then I teach this trick for 3 days on Skype. And if you want to book your appointment for the next week, then for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye.